Where are we going to now?
Chisopani.
Chipani.
Chisopani.
Very difficult to pronounce. Anyway, there's Kathmandu. Look, can you believe it? Look how high we are. There's Kathmandu. And look at the road we have to go up now. Look where we're going. All the way up there. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Careful, huh?
Oh my gosh. It's a very bad road. Oh. What fun. I hope I don't fall off the bike. We're higher and higher, all the way up. Look at the beautiful jungles. Look, millet growing over there. Look at the beautiful forest. Good Lord, just look where we have to go now. Oh my God, look, that's how we have been travelling for the last half an hour. Let's look at that. Look at the thick jungles. Just look where we are going, my God. This is real off-road travel, isn't it? Oh my God, oh, my poor back. How beautiful though, isn't it? It's really traveling in the nowhere. Only get this in Nepal. Oh gosh, look at that. We're going up and up and up. We're going up and up and up. Oh my God, be careful. Oh. The road is getting very bad now. Very bad. Oh. What a good motorbike you've got, eh? My motorbike could never do this. Never do this. Oh, it's a beautiful road, but look, absolutely unbelievable. Look at the forest on either side. Oh my, that's quite a climb, isn't it? Quite a climb. Way. How is that? How is that? Thank you very much. Yeah. What's the name of those mountains?
This couple of mountains, those the Lakpa.
Oh.
And another one, Ladies Peak.
What ladies?
Ladies Peak, a single one.
Oh, look at that.
And last one, Gauri Shankar.
Oh. And look at the beautiful view down here. Yeah. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Thick forest everywhere. Oh, there's Chisapani, 6.5 km, and we're going to that dam as well, DHAP dam, 3 kilometers. Oh, and what is this hilly? This must be this place. And look, we stopped at a little place selling water and little cold drinks, etc. How lovely. Oh, you're having a hard-boiled egg. Maybe a cold drink. Does he have any cold drinks? Yes. Oh,
Oh,
the poor man. I'll have a nice Coca-Cola then.
Coca-Cola?
And that's where we have to go there, no?
Yeah.
That road over there. 1 Coca-Cola for me, please. Has he got cold one? No. Oh, you've already been. Cheers, all the best. Now, where are we going now? To the lake?
Yeah. Next step, lake.
And how far is it? It says there
3 kilometers.
3 kilometers. And up this road, up here.
Yeah.
Oh my. Look at that. Look at the beautiful forest. That's a Yamaha motorbike, isn't it? Very lovely bike. I don't think my bike can make it up here. And look at his lovely Pulsar. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. What a beautiful bike. That's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, look, some hikers. They hike from Nagarkot. Are these Nepali people?
Yeah.
Oh, they're hiking from the next town nearby, Nagarkot, which I've been to many times. Kitna? How much? Kitna? 300. Oh, he knows English. He can speak English.
No English.
No English. Go carefully. Look at these roads. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Look where we have to go now.